Yo, want to go over my trades for June the 9th, 2020. And let's go over SPY first. SPY was gapping down from 323-ish to 320-ish. So, pretty good day to short. And the first focus was CCL up here. And I shorted CCL. As you can see, it went up huge, then crashed, and then came back up. So I was looking for higher, better, and trying to get short on this one. And kind of messed it up, but kind of didn't, because I used half of the share size I would usually use. Let's say I would go 100 shares right here a piece. I was doing 50, and I was chasing it down because I was chasing this huge red move. I was just chasing it down a little bit, trying to get in it, and it didn't really work out. Figured this 22 area right here was a key area of interest, and I added off VWAP possible reject, and then I seen this double top, not really doing nothing. Volume was low all day, and I added another 50 shares for a total of 150 shares. Kind of a FOMO play, chased it down, and then it gave me an exit right here to actually be up a little bit, 35 bucks, 34 and a half, and I just took my exit right there. I just felt like it was a bad play. Didn't want to fuck with it no more. Kind of made like a mistake chasing it down, and then I added to a loser, and I added to a loser again, so I just wanted to be done with it. And that's kind of okay. Okay, I made a mistake, but I made up for it. And I didn't go ham. I didn't go 100 shares, 100 shares, 100 shares. That would have just not been good at all. P&L swings would have been crazy. And next trade, OLLI. OLLI was actually a notification play too. And I feel like it just fell off a cliff, and I just wanted to chase it down a little bit. Got in a little 10 shares right here and just covered right here. I just didn't want to fuck with it no more either, because I was watching another name, which I'll get to in a while. But overall, I was still correct on this one too. Pretty decent. It was just high price stock. I just didn't want to fuck with it no more. DKNG. DKNG was alright too. DKNG's been in play as for like a couple weeks now, actually, about 2 weeks. So I wanted to see. I was watching it, and I seen this huge move, and I felt like maybe this 39 area was gonna reject. As you can see right here, pulled back, and I felt like this might be the top. So I got in my first 50 shares right here, and it didn't, and I was cool with that till like 40ish. And then when I seen this pullback, I added, and then I seen 40 just like kind of rejecting right here. Wasn't gonna even get to 40, no real volume coming in, and then I just wrote it down right here. Covered on VWAP. Felt like VWAP was gonna be it, but it didn't. Went a little lower. Overall, really good play. Tried to short it front side. Didn't work out. Didn't go crazy with size. Didn't really add to a loser. I did add to a loser right here, but I felt like 40ish was gonna be my top, and that's what it got to. Overall, 72 bucks up on that one too. Next one, NKLA. NKLA was a monster play for me. I was watching it. It went to 97. Look at this. It was just all over the place. And I was watching it off of this, and I felt like this 75-ish area was key. This was yesterday's close, of course, and it was just stalling out. And I wanted to see 70 break. This was a scalp play. This is high priced, but I felt like I wanted to get a nice scalp in, so I went 100 shares. I would have usually went 10 shares at a time, but I want to have one entry and one exit, quick, make some money, and dip out. And it worked out perfectly. I was waiting, all up in here, and I wanted to see 70 crack. When 70 cracked, boom, I got in. And as soon as the 65 held a little bit, I got out. Less than a minute trade, made 317 bucks on 100 shares. Beautiful. Couldn't have made it any better. Exactly what I wanted. I didn't want to do all this holding. I know the trend was down and everything, but the P&L would have just been crazy. And I'm totally satisfied. 317 bucks on this, not bad at all. I just felt like this was one of those opportunities where you just have to get in there and just try it. Oh well, if you lose a bit of money, you lose it. But not trying, would have just been just as bad because there was so much opportunity in this, so much money in this, just going everywhere. Look at these shares, millions and millions of shares traded, 70 million shares traded at prices of 60 to 93 bucks, 94 bucks, which is total insanity, total. And the grand total yesterday was $424.30. Not bad, not bad. Probably my best one day, single day, since I started trading as a trade net preparation type deal. So overall, very happy with this trading day. Even though I kind of started sloppy with CCL, I made up for it. Didn't let it get me down. Waited on it, went patient. Felt like my overall theory was still correct on it, and it was. Plus, the market wasn't showing too much signs of life. Well, it was a little bit, but on the one end, it looked a little better. The market wasn't ripping up or anything off of these. Like, it was actually crashing the first half hour, even lower, which gave me more confidence to short. Overall, beautiful, beautiful day. So, till next time, peace.